What is going on, everybody in YouTube? MW, the VA Cruiser Guy. What is happening, everybody? I'm hoping everybody have a good day, having a blessed day. Yes, sirree. Man, if you go ahead and if you like my videos, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Yes, indeedy, we outside cruising today on deck. Indian Vintage. Oh my gosh. I got some things that's on my mind that's, you know, I have to get out there. I have to get it out there. I just have to get it out there. Yeah. Man. So some silly things with which, you know, I really don't understand. I don't understand why people's reasons for stop riding. Man, I don't know. I don't get it. All right, you have an accident. Damn. Get back on that bike and ride. That's one reason. Why? I mean, shoot. Everybody, you know, not everybody, but, you know, just, it may take you a while to get back on it, but, you know, don't just quit riding because you have one little accident. Another reason, which really gets me, well, I'm getting married, and my wife to be, or my husband to be, don't want me to ride anymore. That one is the most dumbest excuse of all. Look, they knew you rode motorcycles when you got into the relationship. They knew it. So why should you stop doing something that you love doing just to please them? That person has to realize it's a 50-50 relationship. They have to realize and accept. They accepted that you rode before. Hey, but that's no excuse for you. Which they say that that motorcycles are dangerous. No. Motorcycles are not dangerous. It's the people who rides them are dangerous. If you go out and ride like a damn hoonigan, yeah. But if you do the right things, ride defensively, and keep your head on the swivel, if you take that safety course and go by that, everything you learned in that, and take extra courses, wear the proper gear, then you can avoid that stuff. I mean, if you're just riding out here, just having a good time, enjoying the ride, riding responsibly, not doing all stupid crowded stuff, motorcycling is not dangerous. It's dangerous to, there is a danger of riding because you got to deal with these cages out here, but like I said, if you pay attention Keep your head on the swivel. Don't ride stupidly. Then, you know, you can avoid those kind of situations that happens. Man, it's like I said, man, people up there saying, man, you shouldn't ride because motorcycles are dangerous. Well, how would it that if I say, well, you shouldn't drive a car because driving a car is dangerous. You could get in an accident. So don't come at me with saying that motorcycles are dangerous. It's the people who ride them, who doesn't ride properly, don't take the precautions, ride stupid, you know. Those are the ones, yeah. That's, it irks me every time. Man, it's like, I was in the store the other day. Someone came up to me, oh, that's your motorcycle? Yep, that's my bike. Man, I don't know, man. They say motorcycles are dangerous. I don't think I could do it. I said, do you want to ride? Yeah, I do. I wouldn't mind riding. You know, okay. But take your first step. Go to the MSF course, take classes, and get on the bike. Like I said, dude, motorcycles are not dangerous. It's like, okay, if motorcycles are dangerous, oh shoot, I sat on the bike, oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I sat on the bike. No. Them things could kill you. Hell, riding in a car can kill you. Flying in a plane can kill you. Walking down the street, sleeping, just walking can kill you. You can die from all those things. But there's a bigger risk of you dying on a motorcycle or anything. No, not really. Not really. People die in car accidents every day. People go down the street, have a heart attack, die every day. Now don't come with me with saying that motorcycles are dangerous or those things that kill you. Hell, cigarettes kill you. Eating the wrong types of food can kill you. Not taking care of your body can kill you. Don't come with me with that shit. I'm telling you. I'll tell you one thing, man. I am so glad that I did take up riding. It's some kind of therapy, man. It just, like I said, you got stuff on your mind. You need to think. Hop on that bike. Start riding. Clears your brain. You can go right back to that task you was doing. Knock it right on out because you have a clear brain. Stressful day? Get on that motorcycle. Ride. For that period of time, oh my gosh, stress is going away. You feel, oh, I feel so much better. I feel so much better. It's what they call throttle therapy. So guys, if y'all thinking about quitting riding bicycles because of certain things, don't. If you love it, keep on doing it. Just keep on doing it. That's all what I have to say today, man. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.